Hi everybody, let's apply for the UK graduate visa together. Before we start, make sure you have the following documents: your UK resident permit, your passport, your UK immigration app, the share code, your CAS number, and the national insurance number. So in your browser, type in UK postgraduate visa, and then you can select that or the one down below, as long as it's on the gov.uk. These are the documents you need, but I already told you what you need, and you can read other parts, but let's just go straight to apply. Start now. England, continue. No. If you do, say yes. Yes. Continue. Has your BRP expired? Yes. When did your BRP expire? BRPs expired last year, 2024 December. So at the moment, it's less than 18 months. So let's choose that and continue. Have you ever provided your fingerprints for the UK visa application? Yes. Continue. Is your name on your biometric residence permit the same as on your current passport? Yes. Continue. iPhone 7, Android? Yes. As long as you can use the immigration app, the purple one, on your phones, it should be fine. Or if you don't have a phone, just ask your friend. Create an account. Put in your names and we continue. Country of origin. Continue. Your BRP number. If you need expiry date. And then continue. Your date of birth. And continue. Yeah, when the BRP was expiring, you created an account to have an e-visa. So the account created, you either used a passport or a BRP. So you have to choose what you used. It's passport, continue. Put in your passport number and then we continue. What's your date of birth? Put it in and then we continue. The details entered do not match our records. So here is an instance where we tried to say we used the passport, but when we are creating the UKVI account for the e-visa, we used the BRP. So we have to try again to use the BRP. Yeah, so always make sure that you use the right document. So click try again. So we go back to the documents. Yes, this time around we are choosing the right one, BRP. Put in your BRP number and then we continue. Date of birth, put it in, we continue. How do you want to receive the security code? By my phone number, so click send a text. If you prefer an email, choose that, but I always go with the phone number, continue. Check your phone to get the code, put in the security code and then we continue. Your forms, graduate, your application has not been started. Start the application. Apply as a graduate. So these are the steps you are going to go through to finish this application. They are very long, so please take your time. It'll take you around 1 hour to finish all. Confirming your identity is the first step. Continue. Yes, continue. So these are the ways you're going to connect to the immigration app. And you can use either a connection code or a QR code. I find a QR code easy, so I will just scan this code using the smartphone. So this is the UK immigration app that I've been talking about. It's purple. So once you click on it, just click continue. They will take you through the steps you're going to take. Continue, connect using QR code, continue, and then scan it. Then we need to confirm who you are by phone or email. I prefer a phone, so use phone. They send a 6-digit code. Just click on it. Perfect. Importance of using iPhones. Continue. Those who are using Android, life is fine. Okay. Start using the app. Take an image of your document. Which is it? Your BRP. Yeah. After that, you scan your face, then take a photo of yourself. Those are the steps. They're just telling you that you're going to go through. So we chose the BRP. That's what we're going to take a picture of. Continue. Then we take an image, the front image of the BRP. Perfect. Image taken. Take the image of another side. Continue. We have successfully taken an image of both sides. Okay. Access the chip in your card. The chip is that yellow or golden rectangular icon that's on your BRP. So just place your phone on top of that until it's detected. And once the chip is detected, make sure that you do not move your phone so that that green line completes to the end. Completed. Okay. Scan your face. For you to scan your face clearly, just make sure that you have a white background and you have enough lighting. We tried scanning our faces in our rooms but it didn't work out. So we went outside where there is more lighting. So once you have taken these pictures and you're happy with them, you are free to use the photo or retake the photo until you're satisfied with your photo. Once done, just click use this photo and then submit information. What happens next? Return to your UK visa and immigration account, continue. You can do it on the phone or you return to the computer. I find it easier to use a computer than the phone, so I returned to my computer. I signed in and they took me to the same page as the one here on the phone. What ident document you want to use? Definitely it's a BRP, that's what we used. Continue. What is your BRP number? Put it in. Continue. Date of birth? Put it in. Continue. Security code. Text message. Yeah, text message. You get the code. Put in the code and then we continue. Your forms. Continue the application. Apply as a graduate page appears. Click confirm identity. Fetching your form. Identity information submitted. Complete your application. Click continue and then you go to the next step, which is immigration advisor details. Are you using an immigration advisor based in the UK? Click what's applicable, but you don't need to as long as you can read and understand English. Check your answers. Continue. We got the next step. Contact preferences. Which email address can we use to contact you? Select your email address. We continue. Which phone number? Yes, select your phone number. We continue. Then put in your UK address. Once done, continue. Check your answers. If you think everything is right, just click continue. Next step will be other names. No, continue your identity card. It may be from your country. If you don't, just click no and then we continue. Your other nationalities, put in and then we continue. Check your answers. If you're happy with them and they're true, continue. That step is done. Next one, your location. Where you're applying from, select the appropriate country and then continue. Check your answers, continue. Next step will be eligibility. You have a student visa? Yes. Continue. When did you first arrive in the UK? Just put in the exact date you entered in the UK and then continue. Your CAS, this is the CAS number you got from your university when you were applying for your student visa to come to study in the UK. So that's the same CAS you must use here. Continue. Other Home Office applications? No. If you do yes, but no. Continue. Did you study an eligible course? Yes. Continue. What course did you study? UK Masters. You can choose a PhD if that's what's applicable to you. Track record in terms of the university? Yes, that's right. You can check this and read about it. But definitely, if you got the visa in the first place, then that's a good university. Your course completed? Yes. Continue. Have you previously been granted permission under the doctorate extension scheme? No. Continue. no, continue. You'd do if it was a fully funded scholarship thing. If you're happy with the answers, just continue. The next thing is personal details. Your sex, select appropriately, continue. Your country of birth, select, continue. Then enter in your passport details. When you're done, just say continue. Your home address, yes. So here you just have to put in the time you spent at each address for the last 2 years. Once done, we continue. Yes, if you're happy with the information you've put in here, click continue. Always make sure that you proofread the information you put at every stage before you press continue. That part is done. Travel history then. Time in the UK. How long have you stayed in the UK on your current visa? Put that in. We continue. Time spent outside the UK. Since you started living in the UK, have you spent time outside the UK? Do not include holidays of 2 weeks or less. Include any periods of time you have spent on the Isle of Man, Jersey, or whatever it is. So if you've gone outside for more than 2 weeks, include all the places you've gone to. You just need the dates when you were out and why you went to those countries. So fill that in and then we proceed. If you had a relative that fell sick or whatever, make sure that you mention that as it is, because your university informs the Home Office. Whenever you go outside of the UK for more than 2 weeks, they do inform the Home Office. So make sure that whatever they tell the Home Office matches what you are writing here. Confirm your answers and then we continue. Travel to Australia, whatever it is, click what's applicable and then we continue. World travel history, choose what's applicable and then we continue. Medical treatment in the UK, if yes, say so. If no, just say no. Continue. Your national insurance number. So you apply for this NI number when you come to the UK because nobody is going to give you a job without the NI number, so you must have it. Driving license, if you yes, no, no. Public funds, no. Mind you don't have the right to have access to public funds. If you do, that will affect your visa. So make sure that you go away from public funds. So here, just check your answers and once you're happy, click continue. The next part to do is criminality. Immigration history, read that. I clicked no and then continue. Breach of UK immigration law, no, continue. Convictions and other penalties, no, continue. War crimes, no, continue. No, no, no. Click that, continue. Extremist organizations and views, no, 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 continue. Person of good character. Have you, as a part of your employment or otherwise, undertaken paid or unpaid activity on behalf of a non-UK government which you know to be dangerous to the interests or national security of the UK or its allies? No, just click no, 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 unless you've done so, and then continue. Employment history, choose whatever applies to you, we continue. Employment history, choose whatever applies to you, we continue. Then you go through your answers, confirm, and then we continue. Next thing will be relationship status. I'm single. Previous relationships, no. Check your answers, we continue. People applying with you. Are your partner or children applying with you? Choose what's applicable, we continue. Check your answers, continue. Then you go to the account security questions. Yes, here you're free to choose whatever questions you want. So I will choose a few questions here and the answers and then we proceed. Just to make sure that you choose questions whose answers you'll easily remember. When done, click continue. Check your answers. Continue. Next thing will be declaration. So spend time to read this information. Click that box and then continue. Those are the next steps. Read this information carefully make notes, and then continue. Declaration. I am the applicant, age 18 or over. Click that, continue. And then the next thing will be immigration and health surcharge. So clicking that, and then we start it. That's the amount we have to pay for this visa. And once you're happy, click pay now. So they're taking us to the World Pay, and here you have to choose the payment method. So I use the Visa card method. Here I put in my credit card details, and once that's ready, I click confirm. Then after, make payment. Give it a few seconds to take us to the continue with payment page. Yes, everything should be fine. Take time to read this, but it should definitely be fine. Then continue with the payment. Continue with my app. Please check your device. So they've sent a message to your device which says, we need you to approve a recent transaction. Tap here to renew in the whatever it is, but this is an app that is connected to my bank because I put in my credit card details. So once the payment is approved on your phone, you will get this information, IHS payment successful, and they will send you a receipt to your email. So the next step will be to pay the application fee. So click in that and then we proceed. Application payment. Next steps, read that, continue. Paying for faster decision, whatever it is, I usually go for standard. I never go for priority because I usually get my visa even before 2 months. So once you select what you want, click continue and we go to payment. Continue to World Pay, and just like we did for IHS, put in your card details, make the payment. This page will appear. Continue with my app. This will go. Please check your device so they will send you a message to make the payment, and once the payment is complete, they'll give you this page. Payment successful. Just click continue and then application submitted. What happens next? Read this and then you click continue. I think here, if you need to upload any documents, they will tell you. If you don't have to, they'll also tell you. So let's see what they tell us. Continue. Evidence upload. What happens next? Based on your application answers, you do not need to provide any evidence. We'll contact you if you need anything. Perfect. Once you read all that information and you're happy, just click confirm and submit. Submitted. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.